In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the wallpaper on your laptop. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to switch from the default desktop background to something that feels a bit more personal, whether that's a photo, an illustration, or a simple solid color. Let's start from your main desktop screen. This is the screen you see when you close all your open windows and apps. Before you do anything else, make sure you can see a clear area of your desktop where there are no icons or windows covering it. This will make the next step easier. Now, move your mouse pointer to an empty space on the desktop. Here, you're going to open a small menu that gives you options related to your display. To do that, press the right button on your mouse or trackpad. A context menu will appear on your screen. From that menu, look for the option that says Personalize and click on it. This will open the main settings area where you can control how your desktop looks. Once the personalization window is open, you should automatically be on the background section, or you may see it listed on the left side. This is where you control what appears as your wallpaper. At the top, you'll see a preview of your current background, and just below that, a drop-down menu that lets you choose the type of background you want. Click on the drop-down menu and choose Picture if you want to use an image, or Solid Color if you prefer a simple colored background. For most people, Picture is the most common choice. When Picture is selected, you'll see a few default images you can pick from. You can select any one of these by clicking on it, and your desktop preview will update right away. If you want to use your own photo, look for the option that says Browse. Click Browse, then navigate through your folders until you find the image you want. Once you've selected it, click on Choose Picture. You'll see it appear in the preview, and it will be applied as your wallpaper. You might also notice a setting called Choose a Fit, which lets you adjust how the image is displayed, such as Fill, Fit, or Stretch. Try these options until the picture looks the way you like. When you're happy with how it looks, you can simply close the settings window. Your new wallpaper is now set, and you're done.